You want to be respected, not liked, not pitied, but respected? Then let's cut the crap. It starts with your body. Because the hard truth is, people judge you before you ever speak. Your presence walks in 5 seconds before your mouth opens. And if your arms look like you've been curling soup cans, no one's taking you seriously. Now, I know the internet told you it's about confidence and personality and inner strength. And yeah, that's cool and all. But you know what's even stronger than inner strength? Shoulders that make a grown man feel like he should call you sir by accident. Because in the real world, the one where bills exist and women swipe left if you breathe wrong, your body is a resume. It tells the world how much pain you're willing to endure. It tells people how much self-control you have. And more than anything else, it tells you who the hell you are. So if you're tired of being overlooked, disrespected, and ignored, if you're tired of looking in the mirror and lying to yourself that it's not that bad, then welcome. This video's your wake-up call, just like all my videos are. And I need you to do me a favor. Smash that like button so this gets pushed out to more guys who need to hear it, because there's a lot of them that need to hear it, because this isn't just fitness advice. This is about building the discipline that transforms your entire life. And real quick, so I don't interrupt mid-vid, if you're going to build a body that turns heads, your style better match the work you're putting in. That's where Navi Eyewear comes in. If you need sunglasses right now, this is the best place. It's buy one pair, you get 4 free, plus free shipping and free replacements if you lose them. Just add all 5 to your cart and the discount applies automatically at checkout. It's that easy. No codes, none of that. Links in the description. All right, let's get into it. Your body is your billboard. You don't get a second chance to make a first impression. You get one look, and people don't see kindness, work ethic, or ambition. They see posture. They see arms, chest, jawline, and how you move. You know what a sloppy, soft, tired body says to the world? I don't have control of myself. It says you are the kind of man who picks convenience over discipline, who eats his feelings, who hasn't been uncomfortable on purpose in years. On the flip side, you walk into a room with a V-taper, traps peeking out, and a walk that says, I do not have time for BS, and people move different around you. Men respect you. Women, they actually notice you. And your self-respect, it goes through the roof. And here's another one. No one cares until you look the part. The harsh truth. You can be the smartest, hardest working guy in the world, but if you look like a joke, no one's going to listen. You can't walk into a room demanding respect when your belt buckle's fighting for its life and your arms jiggle when you shake hands. Let's be real. Have you ever taken advice from someone who looked like they've never done a push-up in their life? Exactly. The gym is your battlefield. You want to become someone worth respecting? You got to earn it under the barbell. It's a great way to start. No shortcuts, no hacks, no 2-week ab programs to get ready for summer. I'm talking years of showing up when you don't feel like it. The gym is where average men become dangerous, because every rep you push through, every time you want to quit but don't, you are training your mind just as much as your muscles. The weights don't lie. They don't care how rich you are, how sad you are, how tired you are. You either lift them or you don't. And every time you do, you build a kind of respect that can't be faked. Nobody respects what's easy. What do I mean by this? Here's a secret, and I talk about this a lot. Nobody respects comfort. Comfort is your biggest killer. Nobody sees a guy who skips leg day. They rag on him, or eats like a toddler and hasn't broken a sweat since PE in high school and thinks, wow, that's a high value man right there. I need to get to know him and know all of his secrets. People respect what's hard. They respect the guy who's in the gym at 6 a.m. while everyone else is still drooling on their pillow. They respect the guy who turns down fast food and eats like it's fueling a war, not a Netflix binge. They respect the guy who looks like he can handle himself and protect his women or his family if things pop off. Your body builds your confidence. Here's the thing. Confidence isn't some magic dust that gets sprinkled on your head. It's built. You build it rep by rep, mile by mile, meal by meal. When you know you've outworked most men, when you look in the mirror and actually like what you see, you carry yourself different. You don't need fake swagger. You are the swagger. You don't overthink what to say. People lean in to hear it. You don't need to chase women. When they notice you before you even notice them, wouldn't that be nice? Confidence isn't pretending to be something. It's becoming something. Discipline is the real flex. You want to build a body that commands respect? It's not about six packs and biceps. It's about discipline. When you're the kind of man who does what needs to be done regardless of how you feel, you become dangerous, very dangerous. You become the kind of man who can't be stopped. Miss sleep, still train. Bad day, still train. Nobody's watching, still training. That's how you win in the gym and in life. It pours off into your life because the habits you build in the gym, they follow you everywhere, into business, relationships, and everything else that you care about, that you want oh so badly. Women notice. Trust me. Let's not pretend this isn't part of it. You want women to look twice. Build a body worth looking at. You want women to feel safe and drawn to you? Build a body that can protect them. You want women to respect you? Respect yourself first with the way you treat your body. And here's the truth. Most women say, women don't care if you lift. They'll say that. I don't care if you lift. They care if you look like you could. They don't care if you can bench 300 pounds or if you go to the gym. They care if your shirt says, I go to the gym without you having to open your mouth. They don't want to hear about it. They want to see it. No excuses, just results. Too busy? So is everyone else. Too tired? So is the guy who woke up at 4 a.m. and still got his workout in. Too broke? I'm sorry, but push-ups are free. You are not lacking resources, you are lacking urgency. Stop waiting for the right time. You just have to start and earn the right to be respected. So what's the plan? The no fluff plan. Let me give you the fast blueprint. I'm not gonna sit here for an hour. One is lift heavy. Focus on compound movements. Do enough weight to do the full movement. No half-ass reps with too much weight because you think your gym crush is watching. She's not. Squat, deadlift, bench, pull-ups, rows, do it all. Train the whole body. Train consistently. 4 to 6 times a week, no debate, no excuses. Eat like your goals depend on it. Protein first, whole foods, water with electrolytes like it's your job. Sleep, minimum 7 hours, non-negotiable. Rest is when you repair and grow. No alcohol. It kills gains and it's for softies. Track progress, not vibes. Mirrors and numbers. This isn't new. It's not complicated. You've heard it a million times. It's just hard. And that's the point. The mirror doesn't lie. When all is said and done, your body tells the story of your decisions. It tells the truth. You can lie to your friends. You can lie to your girl. You can lie to your parents, but you cannot lie to the mirror. You either paid the price or you didn't. So the next time you catch yourself feeling not respected, ask yourself, have I earned it? Because if your body still looks like it's waiting for motivation, so is your life. But when you build a body that commands respect, the world stops treating you like a joke and starts treating you like a man worth following. So do me a favor. So stop waiting and you got to start building. You've got one body, one life, one shot. Build it, 'cause it matters. Get after it. Till next time, peace.